And here we go, figured bass of the day, number 10. This is exciting because this includes everything that we're going to learn about four-voice writing this semester. It's diatonic harmony, has root position, first inversion, and all of the forms of 6/4 chords, the three types. There's a passing 6/4, there's a pedal 6/4, and there's a cadential 6/4. So if you haven't done so already, just take a second and mark in the score where each of the 6/4 types are. Mark the 6/4s and figure out what they are. Okay, so you should have realized that this was a passing 6/4 right here. This one, this is the 5 chord, right? So this is a pedal 6/4. And this one, you see how the bass note repeats and it goes 5/3, 6/4, 5/3. I'm sorry, that's the pedal. I just wrote the wrong words. It's cadential, of course. That's dumb. Okay, so we have all types. All right, so we are in the key of B flat major. This is a 1/6. And remember how a passing 6/4 fills in between first inversion and root position. The ones we've seen so far have gone from 1 to the passing 6/4 to 1/6. It can go backwards as well. This right here is, of course, a 5/6/4. Okay, now when we do this passing 6/4, we want to acknowledge the voice exchange right away. One voice goes D, C, B flat, the other goes B flat, C, D. And that will give us what we need for perfect voice leading. Right there. So, the inner voices. Okay, and then we're going to go to the 4 chord. Perfectly smooth. Right. Common tone, 2 stepwise motions. Now this repeated bass note moving to 6, all that means is we go from 5/3 to 6/3. Okay, super simple, and this was a 4 chord, right? Basically, the 5th above the bass goes to the 6th above the bass. Or you could think this goes to a first inversion chord. Either way is fine. Okay? You see how everything stays the same, but the 5 moves to 6. This particular pattern has a name, and it's very, what do I say? Very obvious. This is called, wait for it, the 5/6 technique. Brilliant, right? Okay, so here we are. We're at the beginning of the piece. Here's our 4 chord. There's our 5/6 technique, which takes us to 2/6. Okay, so, and now we're going to go to the cadential 6/4. Okay, so when you see the 5th scale degree in the bass with a 6/4 followed by a 5/3, you have to know that is the pattern for a cadential 6/4. That means it's a 5 chord, and 4th above the bass goes to 3rd above the bass. 6th above the bass goes to the 5th above the bass. Okay, so right here, this E flat can step down to D. That's the 6th above the bass, which is going to go to the 5th above the bass. And this C can step down to B flat, which will go to, which is the 4th above the bass, going to the 3rd above the bass. Okay, and then this resolves nicely to the 1 chord, like so. Let me play the piece up to this so far. We've got a passing 6/4, cadential 6/4, and then pedal 6/4 to end it. And there you go. Let's put a little fermata over it. And there we go. That's it. So let's hear it again. Beautiful, right? Okay, so that's figured bass of the day number 10. And that's all for now.